Hey guys, so it's time to compare the newly released rugged powerhouse, the Doogee S110, with its predecessor, which is the Doogee S100. In this video, we're going to be comparing the top specs of these two rugged phones to see which of the two devices pack the best specs and to point out the differences and similarities between the two rugged phones. The Doogee S110 is currently sold for about $350, while the S100 costs $319. So the S110 is slightly more expensive than the S100. If you're new here and you're interested in the latest tech updates, then kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's compare the specs of these two great rugged phones. So there we go guys, the S110 versus the S100. In my opinion, both devices are packed with impressive specifications. The major differences between the two devices are: one, the operating system. The S110 runs on the latest Android 13, while the S100 runs on the Android 12. Another major difference is in the camera department. The S100 features a 108MP primary sensor, while the S110 features a 50MP Sony IMX766 sensor. The last major difference in my opinion is the fact that the S110 features a rear display, a 1-inch rear display. The Doogee S100 doesn't have a rear display. Every other specs of both devices are the same or almost the same. So I'd like to hear your thoughts. Which of these two rugged phones do you think is best in your opinion, has the best specs? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.